In our next video, we're going to look at problem 92 from chapter 12. I want to talk a little bit about problem 91 first. So if you try to do problem 91 on your own, you're going to end up in trouble. Problem 91 and problem 92 use the same figure. In problem 91, the ball is kicked with a speed of 80 feet per second at an angle of 30 degrees. You want to find this point here where the ball hits the hill, and they give you an equation for the hill. Now, what you should find if you try and solve this problem correctly is that no solution exists. Or you might find a solution. What are you looking for here? Assume the group, determine the point x and y. You might find a negative value for x, which means that the ball, if you go back in time, so this is the path that the ball is tracing out, and if you go back in time, it would have intersected with the hill somewhere back here. So that would be a solution when time, when time is negative. And x is negative there also. What happened when they did the solution for the answer that they give you in the textbook is that they made a sign mistake. And so if you change the sign for y, then instead of standing on top of the hill, you flip the hill around, and now it's like you're standing at the bottom of the hill. So that's how they got the solution for the textbook. The reason that no solution exists for a positive value of time is if you actually stand on the top of the hill that they give you in the textbook and kick the ball at 80 feet per second, you kick the ball so fast that it never intersects with the hill on this side of the hill. You'd have to go back in time to find this point here. So there are 2 points where these two equations intersect, the path of the ball and the equation for the hill. It intersects at a negative value of time and right when you kick the ball, which is when time is equal to 0. And there cannot be a third point where those two lines intersect. So there is no solution for a positive value of time. One reason I'm pointing this out to you is that if you solve this problem my way, by using the vector diagram, it makes it easier to avoid sign mistakes like that because you have this nice little picture showing you what is going on. So even if you like solving the projectile motion problems using the equations that you have on page 41, I think it's worthwhile to draw the diagram anyways, just so you have another way to check your work.